Welcome to my channel. This video part 1. You can check the channel for part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. District.
District.
I live in a quiet district on the outskirts of the city.
District.
Prior.
Prior.
Please finish your tasks prior to the meeting.
Prior.
Dump.
Dump.
He decided to dump all his old belongings.
Dump.
Date back.
Date back.
The tradition of celebrating New Year's Eve dates back centuries.
Date back.
Test.
Test.
I need to study for my upcoming biology test.
Test.
Prompt.
Prompt.
The teacher gave us a prompt for our creative writing assignment.
Prompt.
Curly.
Curly.
Her hair is naturally curly and looks beautiful.
Curly.
Major.
Major.
I'm considering a major in computer science.
Major.
Disappoint.
Disappoint.
The movie didn't disappoint, it was fantastic.
Disappoint.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Let's meet for lunch at the new cafe downtown.
Lunch.
Anticipate.
Anticipate.
I anticipate a busy day ahead with lots of meetings.
Anticipate.
Award.
Award.
She received an award for her outstanding performance.
Award.
Get on.
Get on.
Make sure to get on the train before it leaves.
Get on.
Kind.
Kind.
It's important to always be kind to others.
Kind.
Himself.
Himself.
He built the bookshelf himself, without any help.
Himself.
Virtually.
Virtually.
With modern technology, we can virtually connect with anyone.
Virtually.
Extend.
Extend.
We decided to extend our vacation by another week.
Extend.
Riding.
Riding.
I enjoy riding my bike along the scenic trail.
Riding.
Replace.
Replace.
It's time to replace the old light bulbs with new ones.
Replace.
Outdoor.
Outdoor.
We had a picnic in the outdoor park.
Outdoor.
Heart.
Heart.
She wears a locket around her neck that holds a picture of her parents' hearts.
Heart.
Bear.
Bear.
I saw a bear while hiking in the woods.
Bear.
Grandchild.
Grandchild.
My grandparents love spending time with their grandchild.
Grandchild.
Hate.
Hate.
I don't hate anyone, but I strongly dislike injustice.
Hate.
Between.
Between.
The bookstore is located between the bakery and the cafe.
Between.
Firm.
Firm.
She works at a law firm in the city.
Firm.
Fast.
Fast.
He was driving so fast that he got a speeding ticket.
Fast.
Rural.
Rural.
They live in a rural area surrounded by farms.
Rural.
Purchase.
Purchase.
I need to make a quick purchase at the grocery store.
Purchase.
Calmly.
Calmly.
She handled the situation calmly and with grace.
Calmly.
Disgust.
Disgust.
The rotten smell filled the room, causing disgust.
Disgust.
Comedy.
Comedy.
We watched a hilarious comedy show last night.
Comedy.
Cancer.
Cancer.
The doctor specializes in treating patients with cancer.
Cancer.
Smart.
Smart.
The new smartphone has a range of smart features.
Smart.
Original.
Original.
The artist displayed her original paintings at the gallery.
Original.
Proof.
Proof.
Can you provide proof of your identity?
Proof.
Enthusiastically.
Enthusiastically.
She greeted her friends enthusiastically at the party.
Enthusiastically.
Witness.
Witness.
He was a witness to the car accident.
Witness.
Drawer.
Drawer.
The socks are in the top drawer of the dresser.
Drawer.
Particular.
Particular.
She has a particular interest in ancient history.
Particular.
Allow for.
Allow for.
Make sure to allow for some flexibility in your schedule.
Allow for.
Tough.
Tough.
The exam was really tough, but I did my best.
Tough.
Ball.
Ball.
Let's play a game of soccer in the park.
Ball.
She.
She.
She is an accomplished musician and composer.
She.
Vision.
Vision.
His vision for the future is innovative and exciting.
Vision.
No one.
No one.
No one likes to be stuck in traffic.
No one.
Defeat.
Defeat.
Despite their efforts, they couldn't avoid defeat.
Defeat.
Silence.
Silence.
The silence in the library was soothing.
Silence.
Announce.
Announce.
The principal will announce the winners of the contest.
Announce.
Give out.
Give out.
They give out free samples at the grocery store.
Give out.
Insist on doing.
Insist on doing.
He always insists on doing things his own way.
Insist on doing.
Sum.
Sum.
The sum of all the numbers is 100.
Sum.
Strange.
Strange.
I had a strange feeling that something was wrong.
Strange.
Hurt.
Hurt.
Be careful, that knife is sharp and can hurt you.
Hurt.
Pointed.
Pointed.
She pointed out the errors in the report.
Pointed.
Head.
Head.
I have a headache and need to rest.
Head.
Curb.
Curb.
The city installed new benches along the curb.
Curb.
Presence.
Presence.
His presence in the room immediately changed the mood.
Presence.
Desk.
Desk.
My computer and books are on the desk.
Desk.
Remarkable.
Remarkable.
Her progress in such a short time is truly remarkable.
Remarkable.
Frequent.
Frequent.
I frequent the local cafe for my morning coffee.
Frequent.
Meeting.
Meeting.
We have a staff meeting every Monday morning.
Meeting.
Nuclear.
Nuclear.
The power plant produces nuclear energy.
Nuclear.
Consist of.
Consist of.
The salad consists of lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
Consist of.
Agree.
Agree.
We all agree that the new policy is necessary.
Agree.
Only.
Only.
She's the only person I know who can solve that problem.
Only.
Maintain.
Maintain.
It's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Maintain.
Become.
Become.
With hard work, you can become a successful artist.
Become.
Decide.
Decide.
I need some time to decide which option to choose.
Decide.
Expect.
Expect.
I expect the package to arrive tomorrow.
Expect.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Can you pass me a pencil, please?
Pencil.
Ugly.
Ugly.
Her words were ugly and hurtful.
Ugly.
15th.
15th.
The event will take place on the 15th of the month.
15th.
Faithfully.
Faithfully.
He faithfully followed the instructions.
Faithfully.
Function as.
Function as.
The old barn now functions as a storage shed.
Function as.
Beef.
Beef.
Do you prefer chicken or beef for dinner?
Beef.
Mile.
Mile.
The trail is about a mile long.
Mile.
Story.
Story.
She told us a spooky ghost story around the campfire.
Story.
Disagree with doing.
Disagree with doing.
I strongly disagree with cheating on exams.
Disagree with doing.
Belt.
Belt.
He tightened his belt after losing weight.
Belt.
Bubble.
Bubble.
The children blew bubbles in the park.
Bubble.
Bunch.
Bunch.
She picked a bunch of fresh flowers from the garden.
Bunch.
Flag.
Flag.
The flag was waving proudly in the wind.
flag,
death.
death,
He never got over the death of his daughter.
death,
Sound.
sound,
The sound of waves crashing on the shore is soothing.
sound,
Visit.
visit,
We plan to visit the museum next weekend.
visit,
Bound.
bound,
You're bound to feel nervous about your interview.
bound,
Indication.
indication,
His fever was an indication of an underlying illness.
indication,
Regular.
regular,
She is a regular contributor to the local newspaper.
regular,
Lemon.
lemon,
Can you pass me a slice of lemon for my tea?
lemon,
Tourist.
tourist,
The city attracts thousands of tourists each year.
tourist,
Get on with.
get on with,
Despite their differences, they manage to get on with each other.
get on with,
Quiet.
quiet,
The library is a quiet place for studying.
quiet,
Really.
really,
I'm really looking forward to the concert.
really,
Annoying.
annoying,
The constant noise from construction was annoying.
annoying,
Combine.
combine,
Let's combine our efforts to finish the project faster.
combine,
Confident.
confident,
She is confident in her ability to succeed.
confident,
Spoon.
spoon,
He stirred his coffee with a spoon.
spoon,
Refer.
refer,
I will refer to my notes during the presentation.
refer,
Jeans.
jeans,
She wore a stylish pair of jeans to the casual gathering.
jeans,